In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI images with Canva AI in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy way to generate custom visuals for your social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, marketing content, or just creative fun without needing any design experience at all. If you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos every week. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Canva, look at the left-hand menu and find Canva AI. This is the tool that lets you use artificial intelligence to generate images based on a text prompt. Click on Canva AI to open the feature. After that, you'll see different options inside the Canva AI section. Go ahead and click the image option. This tells Canva that you want to create an AI-generated picture instead of text or another type of content. Once you select that, you'll be ready to describe exactly what you want Canva to generate. Now, in the prompt box, type a clear description of the image you want. For example, you could type something like create an image of a beach. You can also be more detailed if you want better results. For instance, you might describe the time of day, the style, the colors, or the mood of the image. The more specific you are, the more accurate and useful your AI image is likely to be. After entering your prompt, just wait for Canva to generate the image. Depending on the complexity of your request and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Canva will process your idea and create one or more image results for you to choose from. Once the image appears, take a moment to review it and make sure it matches what you had in mind. If it looks good, you can download it right away. Just hover over the image and click the download icon. Canva will then save the AI-generated image to your device so you can use it anywhere you need. And that's it. You've now created an AI image with Canva AI in just a few clicks. This is a really fast and beginner-friendly way to make unique visuals for your projects without having to start from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.